Okay guys, so I'm going to show you everything you need to install the sway bar on your first generation Tacoma. I'm going to go with a air ratchet in this case because doing it by hand you'll be there for like 35 years. So definitely go with an air tool. It makes the job go by way faster, way easier on yourself. Ear protection because it can be loud underneath there. Eye protection so stuff doesn't fall in your eyes. You need a ratchet and a 12mm socket for the end link nuts. Obviously your sway bar, some WD-40, and always anti-seize the threads on the bolts because it'll just make the job way easier if you ever have to pull it out. This is my second time doing this within a year or 2 years, so again, it made my life way easier when I did it the first time by anti-seizing it, so I highly recommend you do that. So I'm going to show you guys how to install it, and to remove it is just the reverse process of installing it. So let's get right into it, guys. Okay, so you're going to want to grab some grease up the bushings, and the bushings go here, the other one goes there. Then you slide the bushing in here, like so, onto the, right here, onto this attachment clip, whatever you want to call it, I don't know, the bracket I guess. You can lube up both sides with grease and put it on. I find it easier to put it on the bar, like have it already set on the bar and just stick it right up in the truck. So I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so I had to hold this up with one hand thread this bolt into this bracket while holding this up, trying to make sure it doesn't sway this, like fall this way. And trust me, when it's one person, it's a pain in the ass. So I was able to get it done. Air ratchet made my life way easier. Now I'm just gonna, if it's a little crooked, which mine might be, which I'm gonna just go over it one more time with a hand ratchet and just make adjustments, maybe loosen it, tighten it, just to make sure it's the orientation's correct. I lined the end link part of the sway bar. If you could see it over here, I lined that up through the end link. Pretty much just got to put the bushings back in on both ends, and I'll show you how to do that in 1 second. I'm going to double check this because this looks kind of crooked, so I'm going to go over this one more time and just try to fix the orientation, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is how it should look. The nut should go on top, top hat, bushing facing with the edge piece facing down, and then reverse for this, edge piece facing up, top hat there, sits there. Then make sure the brackets are lined up properly, like that. Don't tighten anything down until you know you got both sides in and the nuts are on and lined up correctly, because you can't do one side at a time. So just make sure make sure both sides are lined up, and then you can make your adjustments and tighten everything down. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this down, and then I'll put the rims back on, and we should be good to go. Okay, so grab your 14mm. The end link part is a 14mm. Put it on there and just tighten her down. Just get them snug. The bushings should compress a little bit, not a lot. Keep going, keep going. And just don't, oh yeah, also don't use an air tool for this, just go by hand. Should be fine. Go a little bit more. Compress it a little more. That should be, yeah, that should be good. Have the thread maybe stick out a little bit like that. If you want, you can do more, but you know, always, if you don't like it, you could always go back and adjust it, but I'm gonna just keep mine compressed about, let's see, how many threads are there? Like, let's see, like 2 or 3 threads. I'm gonna do that for the other side, see how it looks.
Time to let it go. Hey yo, deep breath, I request a requiem for apathy. Momentarily lost hope, but now it's back at me. Temporarily felt defeated by the game. Then the light came, just after the nightingale sang. Thank whoever you wish for the gift received. I let it be the definition of me, the MC. Share thoughts with the downtrodden intent to tap into the wealth and knowledge my people gain upon the avenue. I keep that close to my heart. Though it seemed like we oceans apart, the feedback is my motivation.